Hey guys, this is Frank Tapia here, and now I'm going to be doing a video show you on my DVD unboxing of The 12 Dogs of Christmas. Yep, I got this at Market Days for prices $2, and it goes right to the Salvation Army store. It says, and the bottom says, miracles come in many sizes. You can see Emma O'Connor, and the dogs are there, as you can see. What a great film, huh? But hey, guess what? Christmas is finally over. So, anyway, here's the front, here's the spine, and of course the back. Bonus feature which includes a behind the scenes documentary shot by 14-year-old 12 Dogs book author Emma Craigan. And it's released by Screen Media Films logo on there. CC Rated G, general audiences, all ages admitted. And it's 107 minutes running time. Anamorphic 1.78 2.0 stereo. This is www.screenmediafilms.net. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this unboxing right now. Okay, we can tear off the security tape right now. Hold on. Almost finished. There. Okay, so here's the front once again, the spine once again, and of course the back once again. We can open this up. Here's the disc for the movie. And nope, sorry, there is no inserts on this DVD case. Okay, guys, well, like, comment, and subscribe button, and then you let me know in the comment section below. Alright, bye-bye, and have a happy Christmas, everybody.